Morning, everyone. I know a lot of you have kind of gone through a 2 week adjustment period with Zoom or a week and a half adjustment period with Zoom, and wanted to kind of give you guys a tool today that may make some of your lives a little easier as you try to maintain like meeting the expectation of being on camera while also acknowledging the fact that like we're all doing school at home and things are going to happen in our backgrounds, and sometimes it's going to be little brothers and sisters acting ridiculous behind us or whatnot. And so want to show you real quick how to set a Zoom background to basically only show you and not show your background at all. So here we go, follow with me. Basically, we hover our mouse down here to where it says stop video. Only instead of clicking stop video, we're going to click this little upward arrow right next to the stop video button. If I click on that, you're going to see something that says change virtual background. When I click on that, you get essentially a series of four, I've seen upwards of 10 preloaded Zoom backgrounds. If you're not feeling super original, you can go ahead and use those. But if you're feeling like you want to flex a little bit more personality without being distracting, and I'm sure your teachers and grade levels will kind of norm what the expectations are. As a history teacher, I will be throwing significant respect points for anybody in my class who sets their Zoom background as something related to whatever we're studying in history at the time. Um, or maybe you want to show, the town your parents grew up in, Chihuahua or Durango, or someplace that you went vacationing this summer. Um, if you want to set a more customized background, you go up here and you click this little plus where it says add image or video. You click that. We're not going to do videos, but we can hit add image. And from there, I'm going to do one that I downloaded off the internet just a little bit ago by going to Google image search, find a picture I like, right clicked it, saved it to my computer. I am going to open it now, and suddenly, boom, it is me sitting in Dunder Mifflin Scranton's office with Stanley Hudson in the background, doing my Zoom call and participating in live class without seeing anything behind me. I hope this helps.